choose to,
I'll go brush my teeth.
see.
Yeah, see if there's something in the settings you can block calls or something.
I'm in your settings right now. As a matter of fact, let me just go to the App Store because I know it's an app. I feel like I saw one.
Found something?
Yeah, I did.
Now, if you guys remember when Faith and Jay and Ernestine were in the grocery store, and Faith revealed that Ernestine had left, and that made Jay question some things. Now, had that not happened, I would have been like, that's a B move that you just did, Jay. But Jay is trying to move on, but in the back of his mind, he's thinking about what happened and that could have possibly been Ernestine in the car that hit X. So he's really trying to find leads on as to whether he's correct with his assumption. He had the opportunity to get the phone. He wants to see what's up, to see if there's a reason that Ernestine, outside of the fact that X could have been or could have caused them to not get back together after that incident at the hospital. So Jay has a lot of questions now. So he's using this opportunity to see if he can find something. So I'm not going to say that's a B move, but anytime you go looking for something, you will definitely find it. Carry on. Yes, Ernestine, and why did your dumbass leave them texts in there? Ugh. Do y'all not know what to do? Why did you leave the text in there? Carry on.
Jeremy, I swear I was not with him.
So where was you? Ernestine, like, where?
He texted me. I don't know. Let me think. He literally looked at the phone and
he came? I'm sure he came.
He never came.
Try to believe you. I try to give you chance after chance. But what you claim to be the truth always sound like a lie to me, Ernestine. You can't not but why would you tell me he texted you that?
Because I just didn't want to make matters worse.
Well, honey, you just made matters worse. You just made matters worse. Yeah. You just made matters worse. Like, who does that? Like, man. These some dumbass people. But maybe they just don't know, because I can remember when I was married and my ex-husband found text in my phone, or some text in my phone. Now, I made mine, what made it so bad with mine is that I had it like in a kind of like hidden folder file or name or something, and he was freaking livid. Now, granted, nothing was going on. I was communicating with the individual for my brother. But if they go through your phone and they see some crap, it ain't nothing you can do. You might as well just fess up. Fess up. They're not going to believe you. And it's too much that's going on with Jay and Ernestine and X for her to even think that she can't even get out of this. It's like no way to even get out of this. No way at all. No, I'm not going to even finish listening to the argument, because Jay is trying. Like, he is trying. But Maurice Hardy 9383 says, I see why Jay be drinking so damn much. He didn't say damn. But yeah. Erica Kane 2529 says, Ernestine is simple. Block the man or change your number. She can't do that because she's still communicating with him. Like, although Jay is doing all of this stuff that's leading toward them getting together, she is still dealing with X. Gregory Smith 1402 says she can't even fake cough her way out of this one. This is gonna be the last one, y'all. Dre Melody Music 5748 says, she said said, let me think. LOL, that's when you know a mofo line. That helper said, let me think about what I was saying. Oh my gosh, that was hilarious, y'all. Oh my gosh. Y'all, should Jay just be done with this heifer? Should Jay just be completely done with her? Like, I know he has his own demons, the drinking and stuff. And I know he calls Anthony all this money, but outside of that, does he just need to just call this quits? Just, it's a wrap. Let it go. Let's talk about it. See you in the comments. Please make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, guys. Hit that notification so you'll know when I upload a video. I will see you in the next green video. Bye, y'all.